Our question today is about properly maintaining a freestanding specific refrigerator. It's not like the old days where there was a coil on the back of the fridge. It needed to be a foot away from the wall behind it. There was a condenser down below that you needed to vacuum off. Now that being said, this is going to be a big dust collector down, especially on bottom freezer refrigerators. There's usually going to be a plastic toe kick that's molded and screwed on. That's a great thing to pop off every now and again, maybe once every 6 months, once a year. Take a look underneath. Your evaporator pan is going to be down there. You can get eyes on that and see if it's close to overflowing, seeing what the water is looking like inside of that evaporator pan, making sure it's warm down there, indicating that the evaporator is working. But you're not going to want to let dust bunnies collect down and underneath there. When you're buying a new fridge or designing a new kitchen to put a fridge in, you don't want to be zero clearance in every direction with a cabinet plumb up against either side, right up against the top of the doors, with the machine right against the wall behind. There's nowhere for the fridge to breathe. Now there is air escaping down below where I referenced earlier, but you still want to have air gaps, at least a little bit, on either side, above, and especially utilizing behind for an air gap. If you want to minimize the gaps up front, leaving the fridge off of the wall to allow for air to flow and move and break away out of the cabinetry is a really important part of maintaining your refrigerator. When it comes to the ice and the water dispenser, or an ice maker for that matter, you want to make sure you are replacing that water filter as it's scheduled in the user guide of each machine. Most of them are going to be every 6 months. Some of them are going to be once every year. Some machines are going to have air filters and things of that nature. But that's not really about the maintenance of your fridge. That's more so about preserving your food a little bit longer. So all in all, you just want to make sure you don't want to let dust collect anywhere underneath, behind, or beside the refrigerator, and you want to make sure there's somewhere for air to escape. That's the most important part about getting a full life out of your fridge.